Hello, you're welcome. Let me quickly show you step by step on how to balance redox equation in acidic medium. Follow this step by step. Let's get started. Okay? The first step, we are given this half equation here or redox equation here, and we are asked to balance it. First, identify the oxidizing agent as well as the reducing agent. So from this equation here, this is the oxidizing agent and this is the reducing agent. Okay? Next step, write half equation for the oxidizing agent and the reducing agent. Half equation. Write half equation. Half equation for the reducing agent and oxidizing agent. So we have MnO4 minus. So giving us Mn2 plus. Okay? Then for this, remember the oxidation state of manganese here is 7 and is 2 here. So it is reduction. Reduction. And that of iron 2 will give us iron 3. The oxidation state here is 2. Increase in oxidation number is oxidation. That is oxidation. This one is oxidation. Right? Okay. The next step you need to take, which is step 2, is balance for oxygen by adding water on the product side. Balance for oxygen. Balance for oxygen. Balance for O, that is oxygen, by adding water. By adding water. Okay, let's get started. Now we have MnO4 minus to give us Mn2 plus water. Then how many oxygen is here? 4. That is 4. You now have 4H2O. The next step is balance for hydrogen. Okay? By balance for hydrogen. So we balance for hydrogen. Balance for hydrogen. Okay? Then we now have, you add it at the side that doesn't have water, which is the reactant side. So you have MnO4 minus plus. How many hydrogen is here? 8. So we have 8 hydrogen to give us Mn2 plus 4H2O. Now, having balance for hydrogen, then let us balance for charge. Let us balance for what? Charge. Balance for charge. Balance for charge. Balance for charge. Balance for charge. Now we have MnO4 minus plus 8H plus, then what is the charge here? Plus 2. And what is the charge here? This is minus 1 plus this. That is 7. Minus 1. Minus 1 plus 8. That is 7. So 7 minus 2 is 5. So we add minus 5 electrons so that it will balance this charge, Mn2 plus 4H2O. Okay? Now, remember I said here is -1 and this is 8 electron. Then 8 electron, then plus this, that is 6. -1 minus this, that is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. So this is +2. So it's the charge here is now balanced. Let's bring ion in now. Fe2 plus, Fe2 plus, then to give us Fe3 plus, Fe3 plus. So the difference here is 1. So add 1 electron here. That is 2, 2. It's, the charge is what? Balance on each of the half reaction. Then the next thing we need to do is to cross multiply the charge. Cross multiply the charge. This charge multiply this one multiply that. That will give us 1 times balance the charge. Let me say balance the charge. Balance the charge. Balance the charge. By cross multiplying, cross multiply. You cross multiply the charge, right? So that you understand what we are doing. Then times this. That will give us, this is times 1 and this one is times 5. 5. The one here we use to multiply this and this one. Okay, let's go. Then you have Mn. 1 times this will give us MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 5E minus to give us Mn2 plus 4H2O. Then for this, we give us 5 times this will give us 5Fe2 plus to give us 5Fe3 plus 5E minus. So the next thing you need to do is to cancel the charge that are the same. Since we have 5 here, we have 5 here. 5 against 5. So the next thing you need to do is to sum of the charge. You summing up. You sum up the charge. Now you write, this is Mn. You have MnO4 minus plus 5Fe2 plus, right? Plus 8H plus. Then to give us Mn2 plus 5Fe3 plus 4H2O. Let us check whether we are right. Mn is what? Is 1 here. Mn is 1 here. Then F is 5. Then hydrogen is 8 and 8. Now let's look at the charge. The charge here is -1 and the charge here is plus. 5 times 2 is 10. 10. Then plus 8. If you add everything, it will give you 17. That is 10 plus 8 is 18 minus 1 is 17. Now here is plus 2 plus 15. is also equal to 17. So the charge is also balanced. All right. So this is the step-by-step on how to balance redox equation in acidic medium. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and share this video, and also follow this page for more lessons. Bye.